Every pilot, every cabin crew, every flight that takes to the skies starts here. Welcome to Flywings Simulator Training Center, an NSE-listed company, India's one and only most advanced aviation training center, trusted by the nation's airlines for world-class safety and emergency procedures training, pilot training, and drone pilot programs. Founded in 2011 by visionary entrepreneur Mrs. Rupal Mandavia, she identified a neglected gap in aviation safety training infrastructure. So, she built something different. One roof, complete infrastructure, every safety standard, one ecosystem. Today, she leads a company reshaping how India trains its aviation workforce. The training center, based in Gurgaon, is compliant with DGCA, AASSC, and NSDC norms with 6 full-scale simulators for cabin crew and pilots. At present, the company has 6+ contracts with major domestic airlines for up to 3 years and operates 4 aircraft training facilities, namely B2B SEP training and infrastructure, B2C certification courses in aviation hospitality and ground staff, B2C pilot training and type training, and B2C drone training, serving 2 core verticals: cabin crew training and ground training. The facility spans 1.5 acres and operates at 90% of existing capacity, featuring a 320 CEET cabin emergency evacuation trainer, a 321 Neo door trainer, Boeing 787 wide body door and slide trainer, V7000 brigade live fire and smoke trainer, ditching pool, and DGCA approved classrooms. They provide SEP training through B2B airline contracts and B2C programs with over 90% repeat business. This training is mandatory for every pilot and cabin crew to be completed once every 2 years. And Flywings, the only organization in India providing this complete infrastructure for over 10 years. In FY25, over 30,000 SEP trainings were delivered and more than 70,000 trainings over the last 3 years. Current capacity stands at 100 students per day, with 4 batches of 25 students per batch. With planned capex, the SEP trainings delivered are projected to increase at the rate of 10 to 15% CAGR in the coming years. But they don't stop at simulators. Their wholly owned subsidiary, Flywings Drone Training Private Limited, operates 2 business models: drone training and drone as a service. It currently operates 4 drones, 2 agricultural drones and 2 surveillance drones. They also have a 50% stake in Ambitions Flying Club, a DGCA-approved FTO, which is their associate company. With a fleet of 4 single-engine and 1 multi-engine aircraft, it offers 2 programs: Private Pilot License, Commercial Pilot License. The global aviation market stands at $358.85 billion in 2025 and is projected to cross $524.14 billion by 2030, reflecting a 7.87% CAGR. India sits at the heart of this transformation. Now the world's 3rd largest aviation market, it is valued at $14.78 billion today and is expected to reach $28.96 billion by 2031 at 11.86% CAGR. The nation's aviation infrastructure is expanding at unprecedented speed. From 172 airports today, India is projected to operate 350 to 400 airports by 2047, driven by fleet expansion, Udaan scheme, rising passengers, and increased connectivity. But growth has outpaced preparedness. In December 2025, Indigo cancelled over 4,600 flights due to a shortage of trained pilots under new FDTL regulatory norms. It exposed a structural fragility in the ecosystem. India today has approximately 12,000 pilots and 25,000 cabin crew. The commercial aircraft fleet is set to grow from 848 aircraft to over 2,500 in the next 10 years, creating a demand of 25,000 plus new pilots and 40,000 plus cabin crew by 2036. And the training infrastructure remains fragmented. There are only around 40 pilot training schools nationwide, with cabin crew training scattered across small, unintegrated centers. As a pioneering woman entrepreneur, Mrs. Rupal Mandavia envisioned Flywings as a force across both domestic and international markets. In December 2025, she took that vision to the public stage through an SME IPO, achieving full subscription, debuting with a market capitalization of 194 crore rupees and raising 57 crore rupees at an equity price of 191 rupees per share. These funds are being deployed into future-ready infrastructure of training systems. Flywings' revenue increased from 10.43 crore rupees to rupees 23.64 crore in FY25 at a CAGR of 30% plus, and its PAT increased from 4.15 crore rupees to 10.91 crore rupees at a 40% CAGR. Consistently maintained 45 to 50% PAT margins. In the first half of FY26 alone, the company delivered a revenue of 10.55 crore rupees, PAT of 3.56 crore rupees with a PAT margin of 33.78%. Looking ahead, Flywings projects a revenue CAGR of over 25% and a PAT CAGR of over 20%. With promoters holding 59.87% and public holding 40.13%, Flywings remains founder-led in vision. In a market defined by regulatory mandates, capacity shortages, and high barriers to entry, Flywings captures a rare structural opportunity in this growing sector. Because in aviation, the sky is not the limit. It is only the beginning. Flywings Simulator Training Center, India's one and only most advanced aviation training center.